Okay.
Dr. Rocco. This is
Dr.
Dr. Rocco.
He learned about abbreviations today.
Where's Mr. Rocco?
I'm Science Rocco.
Oh, jeez.
Or Dr. Rocco. Or Apple, iPhone, Rocco. Dr. Rocco. We're kind of gonna breach the an iPhone 6s, and so we can get our pictures back, the emails back, and yeah.
I asked you guys for help on who could fix my phone. You guys are so funny. Thank you for sending in all the help, but we tried the basics. Like, I didn't back it up to iCloud. I don't have it backed up on my computer. That's the whole problem. Like, the phone won't turn on. Like, all your ideas for the most part, we tried all that. That's the basics. Everybody knows that stuff. We can't. So, we have been told by several people that there is a memory card inside this iPhone that has all the pictures. So, guess what? We are gonna bust this beast open. And yeah, people, the rice didn't work, by the way. It's been sitting in rice for days. So we're just gonna break into the phone, see if we see a memory card. If we do, yay. If we don't, well, I've come to terms with it. But thank you guys all for your suggestions.
The screen is cracked, right?
Thank you all for your suggestions. Make sure to stop right now. Hit that subscribe button. Remember, we're trying to get to our 1 million. Let's do it. Let's get to 1 million by the end of this month, people. Let's do it. Everybody help us push for that 1 million, okay? And enjoy the vlog. We're gonna tear into this phone. And then Rocco had an awesome day today of riding with a good friend of his, Caden. He's a BMX rider, awesome little kid on a bike. So check out, stay tuned, and watch them at the skate park. And make sure you check out Caden's YouTube channel. We'll put the link in our description below and put his Instagram on the screen. So you guys enjoy the vlog, and now let's hit subscribe. Did you hit it yet? Because we're not gonna open this phone up until you hit subscribe. You ready? Boop, hit it. Right, Rocco, hit it.
3, 2, 1, hit it.
All right, now since you all subscribed, we are gonna break into my phone. Are these screws at the bottom? They don't look like screws.
Move your hat. Dude. Chill, bro.
Very,
Okay,
very small.
got it? Did you get it out?
No.
Dude, what the heck?
Very,
Okay,
very small.
got it? Did you get it out?
No.
Dude, what the heck?
Oh my god.
Science, Rocco. This guy here, this cat on YouTube's trying to tell us how to bust in this thing. I say we just get in it. We're not trying to put it back together, right?
I say you do the honors. It's your phone. Oh, she's going in.
It's going down for real. Oh, there's some good carnage there. Phonage.
Is this the best we got?
Yeah.
People, we need a toolbox. Goggles.
Going into surgery.
You're too short to reach me.
Aha.
I'm going in. You want your iPhone fixed? Call me.
And you want your makeup done? Call him. Oh my
Why
god.
tell your parents the goggles when you need them?
This looks like my screen
What
protector.
is attaching this phone? Okay, scissors, Rocco. I need scissors. We need to cut the umbilical cord.
Battery?
I don't know. He just about took my fingers off though.
Oh, that's the battery right there.
So people have said there's a memory card in here. That is the SIM card holder.
Is this the... Check behind the battery.
What's that?
That's the home
Oh, that's the home button.
Does anyone want a home button? It still clicks.
Oh.
Oh. That's how it was on the iPad too. I can't believe this still clicks.
I just think it's dangerous to mess with the battery.
Yeah. Because of all the juice. And we
If batteries explode,
I mean, the Samsung did.
Samsung alert. Like, I would think the memory card would be in here somewhere. Oh.
It's scary when we don't have goggles on.
Well, there's like little compartments over here. Basically, people, I'm afraid to mess with the battery. This to me is like microphone jack stuff here. This was speaker. I would think these are just casings to protect. Oh my God, I don't know. This up here is something to do with the camera. Oh, that's like the SIM card reader. That was attached to this. I thought I was in this little beast. I don't know. That looks like probably memory.
Remember these?
Maybe that was memory, I don't know.
What else?
I don't think there's anything in here. I don't think that, I think everybody who says there's a memory chip inside your phone doesn't know anything about iPhones.
Yeah.
Well, we have been defeated by the iPhone. Bye-bye pictures. We'll have to go get pictures out of our vlogs, I guess. Thank God we video our life. All right, so there it is, guys. We tried. There's what's inside of an iPhone 6.
Let's see what's inside of this.
Don't drop your phone in the toilet. Always back up your devices, right? I guess that's the rule. Back them up and don't drop them in the toilet.
Yep.
All right, so here you go. Enjoy Caden and Rocco riding at the park today. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
One click. Hey everybody, so we are at, wait, what is this skateboard called?
Huber.
We're at Huber, and we're gonna do a collab with one of our good friends, Caden. And he's like a really good bike rider, and actually how I know him is Small Wheels Extremes. We used to do shows with him. It's gonna be really nice to see him again, and I don't know if he thinks we're here yet, but we're gonna yell his name out, right? Dude, it feels like it's been like a million years.
I know, right?
Dude, what's up? How are you? Good. So this is my really good friend Caden. We used to shows with him.
Yeah.
How's your bike?
Good. How about you?
I got my bike.
I've been watching your vlogs. They're really good.
Dude, thanks.
Yeah. Oh!
Let's see you do tricks on this thing.
I'll try. Oh. All right, I'm gonna try and do a tower.
Oh! You're so close. All right, guys, he's taking over. I'm leaving him in charge of the camera. So whatever happens next, it's not me. It's not me. It's all him.
All right. Dang, your camera's so light.
He's taking over the vlog.
That girl. All right, guys. So I'm taking over the vlog. This is officially now Caden Stone Vlogs, not Rocco. No, I'm just kidding.
If he learns double tail whip, you have to learn some trick on a bike.
Yeah.
Oh, he has 1 foot on. Oh! He landed it with his shirt on his head. How do you feel about that?
Watch out.
On the bike. Oh! Rocco's gonna attempt to learn a 180 fakie. Oh! Oh! Oh, come on! Oh! Oh, there it is! Nice job, dude. Rocco's gonna try another BMX trick called ET. Is that it? Nice! 2 new tricks thanks to Caden. Vlogception.
Where is it? Did not put it. He did it. No!
Alright, we have to do it again.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You are following me. You are following me, dude.
Dude, get up! I got it!
Oh my gosh.
Dude, I got a fart.
Ah! Is he a professional tree climber?
Alright guys, so that was today's vlog. We hope you guys liked it. And I just want to say shout out to Hayden, aka Dummy. Right here. Look at his beautiful butt chin. Be sure to go check his YouTube channel out. It'll be in the down in the description below. And